She cut the meat into small pieces. She cut the meat into small pieces.
I prepare the meat. I prepare the meat.
The cook prepares the vegetables. The cook prepares the vegetables.
We are serving vegetables at lunch. We are serving vegetables at lunch.
We eat lunch together every Tuesday. We eat lunch together every Tuesday.
Tuesday is one of the days of the week. Tuesday is one of the days of the week.
It is the last day of the week. It is the last day of the week.
This is your last chance. This is your last chance.
I have a chance to study abroad.
Tuesday is one of the days of the week. I live abroad. I live abroad.